Hey everyone, CJ here with Diode Dynamics. Today, we've got some exciting updates to our popular HitchMount LED Pod, the easiest 3-in-1 reverse lighting solution you can find. If you're new to this product, here's what makes it special. The hitch mount plugs directly into your factory trailer hitch and 7-pin connector, instantly providing you with a brighter reverse light, an additional red running light for better visibility, and even an optional high-power fourth brake light. Installation takes about 5 minutes and no extra switches or complicated wiring needed. You can pop it out just as quickly, even if you need to use your hitch again. Now, we've made our hitch mount even more versatile and powerful. For those with full-size trucks or vehicles equipped with larger hitch receivers, each kit now includes a custom-molded adapter sleeve that fits Class 5 2.5-inch receivers. So whether you're towing, off-roading, or just backing out of a driveway, the hitch mount is the easiest way to add more visibility. Speaking of brighter, we've also boosted the performance of our premium C1R model, delivering 68% more output compared to the legacy version. Wondering which to choose, the SSC1 or the newly improved C1R? Here's how they compare. Both the SSC1 and C1R offer a bright red running light and a powerful reverse light. The upgraded C1R, however, adds even more functionality with an integrated fourth brake light and our optional safety strobe feature. Installation couldn't be easier. It's plug and play, requiring 0 wiring modifications. The hitch mount harness simply connects in line with your factory 7-pin trailer harness, and the pod locks securely into your hitch with our convenient snap-fit design. And for extra peace of mind, you can easily add a locking hitch pin to keep everything secure. If you'd like details on modifying your hitch mount to use a locking pin, we've linked a helpful how-to video below. Removing the hitch mount is just as straightforward. Simply press the tabs on either side and pull it out. You can leave the harness installed and cover the connector, or remove the entire harness altogether. It's quick, simple, and totally up to you. And if your truck features advanced safety systems, we've thought of that too. Each kit includes an optional red wire specifically designed to ensure seamless compatibility with your vehicle's electronics. With just a quick tap into your taillight's brake signal, you can proactively prevent any trailer warnings or dashboard alerts, giving you complete peace of mind. Like the rest of our Stage Series pod lineup, the hitch mount is designed for rugged durability, proudly assembled right here in St. Louis, Missouri. Whether you're daily driving or off-roading, you can trust it to withstand the elements and road debris safely tucked into your trailer hitch. And here's something we're especially proud of. The hitch mount is now covered by our lifetime warranty, because we believe in building high-quality products that you can count on for the long haul. Should you have any issues, just know you're covered. So if you're ready to boost your rear visibility and add some extra safety with a simple, easy-to-use solution, the HitchMount LED Pod is the way to go. Visit DiodeDynamics.com to grab yours, or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.